Class 168 Successive Approximation ADC. These are the types of ADCs. Better you remember only first three. Okay, Flash is the fastest ADC but expensive. This is the one which is usually used. Successive approximation. Right. Let us see how it is done. See, in the previous class, that is the quantization class, class number 36, previous to previous, you know the table analog and digital value, analog equivalent value, digital analog equivalent value for a digital code, or digital equivalent value for analog, digital code for analog value. In ADC, you will get output as code, digital code for analog input. Similarly, you have what is called as DAC, means digital to analog. You will give digital code as input, output will be analog. We will study this later, but in this circuit you use DAC, hence you should know what it is. So it accepts digital input and gives analog output. Okay, right. So here the three main blocks are comparator, successive approximation register, and DAC. Analog input is given to here. Okay, this should be within the reference voltage. Reference voltage will be given input here to the comparator, say 16 volt to op amp. This will be 16 and this will be ground, say pin number 7 and 4 for op amp 741 IC. Right. Now here successive approximation register is there. Initially it will reset, means this will become 0 0 0 0, everything will be 0. As soon as you give start of conversion pulse, output of this will become 0 0 0 0. Clock is given to this. Okay, now when this is 0 0 0, let us take for example 3-bit counter only, say 0 0 0, output will be 0 volt. Okay, so say this is 10 volt, so sorry, say this is around 5 volt. Okay, reference voltage is say 8 volt. Let us assume 3-bit ADC with 8 volt reference. Now this is 0, this is say 5 volt we have given, so output will be, this is positive is lesser and negative is more. So what will happen is here output will be 0, which will indicate successive approximation register to make it MSB as 1. Now output will become here 1 0 0. 1 0 0 corresponds to voltage level of 4 volt, you know. So automatically here you will get 4 volt now. Okay. So 4 volt means this is now 4 volt, this is 5 volt. Output will be, this is higher, this is lower, this will be still low. So this will now understand that the analog input is more than my output, my encoded value. So I have to make the next MSB as high. It will make this also 1. So here you will get 1 1 0. 1 1 0 means 6 volt. Digital 110 means 6 volt. So you'll get here 6 volt analog output. Now this is 6, this is 5, this is fixed 5. So this will now become high. When this becomes high, this understands that, oh, ho, now I have crossed the limit. So this should not be 1. So it will make this 0 again and try for the next MSB. It will make this 1 now. So this will be now 1 0 1, means you will get here 5 volt, here 5 5. Okay, so you can see here output will be now 1 0 1. Suppose this is, let us take odd value 5.3 volt. Even if it is 5.3 volt, now this will be 5 volt. It will make a 1 0, you will get 101. Again it will become now low, but okay, it has already come up to the LSB. At each and every one, every clock pulse, one bit is tried. In the first clock pulse, MSB is tried, means MSB is set to 1 and then checked for this process. Now let us take another example. Say this is 2.3 volt. Okay, 2.3 volt. Now first, when you give this pulse, output will become 100. First, this will make this MSB as 1 and rest everything is as 0. So here you will get 4 volt because 8 volt is reference. MSB 1 means 4 volt you will get. This is 2.3, this is 4. So output will be high. When it is high, it realizes, oh, it has become high. So it is wrong. I should not have made this 1. So it will reset it to 0 and try for next MSB. Means it will set this as 1. So it will make 0, 1 and this is obviously 0. So 0, 1, 0, D2, D1, D0, MSB, LSB. So 0, 1, 0 means here you will get 2 volt. 0 1 0 means 2 volt. So this will, here we will get 2 volt output of DAC. So 2 volt here, 2.3 here, output will be low. Then it will realize, oh yes yes, so this should be 1. It will keep it as in set condition and try for the next bit in the next clock pulse. The first clock pulse, second clock pulse, in the third clock pulse, it will make this as 1. Now we will get 0 1 1. So 3 volt here, this is 3, this is 2.3, output will be high. Oh, it has become high. So it realizes that, oh, I have crossed the limit. Then it will make this as, it will reset, it will make this as 0. So 0 1 0, final output. So here you will get 2 volt, whatever it is. For 2.3 volt, you will get output as, which is for 2 volt means 0 1 0. So after 3 clock pulses, this will become high. End of conversion will become high to indicate that the conversion is complete. Means one set of all the bits are tried. Then this will be given to a latch. See, this is the actual figure. Okay, this will, see this is the output is available here, but this will be continuously varying during the process. 100, 010, 011 and 010, like that. Once all the 3 bit, means it will take 3 clock pulses. Okay, so 3, after 3 clock pulses, this will become high, active, and that will high or low depending upon active low or active high, and it will enable a latch. Now what is here 0 1 0, which had been ready here, that will come out here available. So the output of SAR, which is the actual output, will be now available here. So here we will have stable output. Then again, this will be only one pulse. Again, it will be disabled. Means output will be constant. Then then again you will try for the continuously you will be checking if you want. Means continuously doing the conversion process. Again give another pulse. This SOC means it is a pulse. For the next, you will give another short pulse, positive going pulse. Again, it will make everything zero. Actually, not zero. It will make one here and everything zero in the first clock pulse. Then try for the next one. So like that, it will go. So number conversion time necessary is equal to number of bits. If there are 8 bits, you need 8 clock pulses for conversion. If it is 4 bit, 4 clock pulses. So this is how it does. Details are given in the notes. Fine.